Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Nikon Z30 not recognized as webcam on Windows. Okay, so let's begin by first making sure that all the required drivers are on our computer. So get to your computer and find the drivers. To find them, you should search for Nikon Z30 Download Center. Then find Software and find Webcam Utility. Now there's an agreement, you need to accept it, then download. It will start downloading as soon as you click on downloads, so then you can open it. And in a moment it will be installed. You need to accept the license agreement, of course, click on next a few times and then finish. Now open an app that requires a camera to be there. So I'll open Zoom. Let's do a new meeting. And now immediately it shows me, before I start the meeting even, it shows me what am I gonna look like. And since it doesn't recognize the camera, make sure that Nikon is selected. Of course, for each app it will look differently. So yeah, let's start the video. Now this is what it looks like with the video started and Nikon selected, because my camera is not yet plugged in. So yeah, as I said, for other apps like Teams, for example, or anything else that you may want to use, it will look different. And then you can plug your camera in with a USB-C cable on the left side to the computer. Now let's turn the camera on. And let's see. Okay, it is already there. Yeah, I'll zoom. Sorry, not zoom, focus. I'll focus. And now you can see it is working in my case. But if it's not working in your case, then it's probably due to you having some problems with the connection. So first of all, try restarting your computer. Then try a different cable, because cables are really built differently, and some of them, even though they are USB-C, they don't support data transfer. So make sure that you're using an actual good cable. You may also try it with your phone and see if you connect it to your phone, you can transfer any data, like photos, for example, by opening, the File Explorer and then finding this PC button, and if your phone shows up here and you can transfer some photos, then it's great. If not, then try a different cable, and also try a different port on your computer, because some ports also don't support the full speed of data transfer, and that may also be the issue here. If you've checked it, try reselecting the camera. So just if you have an option to switch to a different one and switch back to Nikon, that would be great. You can also just close the meeting and try joining again. Make sure the video is on. Yeah, and that is basically it, because besides that, it should all be working properly. So I hope that it helped, and see you in the next one.